Greetings, my name is Sophia Guzman, and in this video, we will be talking about logic gates. We will be using the iTrilogy software, and the scenario is the use of a light in a staircase. There are two switches, and one of them is on the top, and the other is on the bottom of the staircase. The special conditions are that if the switches are in the same state, both on or both off, the light is on. But if either switch is in a different state, well, the light will turn off. We can see that these conditions behave exactly as an XNOR logic gate. With that being said, this is how a logic ladder for an XNOR looks like. Our inputs are the top switch and the bottom switch. So we present our top switch in the first rung and the bottom switch as normally open. By adding a branch, we use the normally closed for top switch and the bottom switch. This is our first rung, and our output is our internal relay. This internal relay behaves as a storage, meaning that the XNOR special conditions will be stored in the internal relay. In the next run, the internal relay acts as an input, and the output will be the light. So let's continue to see if the simulation works. Before continuing, I would like to point out that I am using a Mac. So to be able to use iTrilogy, I was supposed to download a Java programs. Therefore, for the iTrilogy to work, it needs to be an iTrilogy Java version. What I'm trying to say is that if I try to mark the checkbox in control, it will not let me. This is the limitation that the iTrilogy in Mac has. But with just observing these red lights are indicating the simulation is working. The downside is that I can't toggle manually. It gives me the option, but I can't mark the checkbox. I can't manually toggle the switches to see the difference, to simulate a different state. Just one more time. No, this is the best I can do. Well, thank you for your attention. See you on the next time.